Okay, I'm going to start with a line. Pick my first point. Make sure that you're creating a horizontal line. Go to the right a distance of 40. I'm going to go up a distance of 12.5. To the left, 25. Let's go up a distance of 12.5. To the left, 12. Down, 19. To the left, 3. And C to close. I'm going to use the chamfer command. Select distance, 1. And my second distance will be the same. And I do have more than one, so I will choose the multiple option. I'll make my chamfer at these two corners. I'm going to select all of my lines and join them together. Next, I'm going to create a circle with a diameter. I'll specify my center here. Diameter will be 40. I'm going to create a line from this quadrant to this quadrant. I'm going to move that line from this base point, and I'm just going to go up a distance of 12. I'm going to create a circle at these 3 points. So circle, center, diameter. I'm going to click at this intersection, 3. And I'm just going to repeat that same step. One at this quadrant, and another one at this intersection along here. Delete this line. And now I'm ready to create my 3D object. Revolve. Select your polyline. Your axis will be this bottom endpoint to this endpoint. I'm just going to hit the enter button because 360 degrees is the default. I'm going to select this in an isometric view. And then I'm going to rotate my circles here 2 times. The first rotate I'm going to do is I'm going to use this rotate gizmo. I'm going to switch out of 2D wireframe and switch over to shades of gray. I'm going to select my 4 circles, choose this blue axis, and I'm just going to move it out until I have those 3 circles pointing straight at my 3D object. Then I'll choose the green axis, then I'm going to move it going up to that face. Then I will use the move command and move these 4 circles from this center to this center. I'm going to delete that big circle. Next, I'm going to use Extrude, and I'm just going to highlight those 3 circles along the top. Then, as long as I send those cylinders through my object, I should be okay. I'm going to use Subtract. Select my 3D object that I want to keep first. And then I will select my cylinders. I'm going to switch this around to the front view. So I want these 3 circles and the big circle to be facing to the front. So I'm going to select my 3D object. Choose this blue axis. And then I'm going to rotate it around like so. So this view should be parallel to the front view. I'm going to switch to layout 1. Go ahead and delete the viewport. Insert in your title block. I always like to switch to the Annotate tab and set my dimension style up first. Go to the Layout tab, Page Setup, and go ahead and set it up accordingly. Insert in your base view for model space. I accidentally hit the escape button, so I'll do that again. Click here, and I should hit the enter button behind it. Actually, I did it again. One more time. I'll choose the base. For model space, I'll click here, the enter button, and I'll place this dimension and select enter. I'm going to make this bigger, so I'm going to select this view, select the drop down here. Maybe 1 to 10 should be the ideal size. I'm just going to move this view down. And then I will cut the section. Remember that you just want to track from this center. Get above it, come down below. And it should be creating my view. Okay, so from this point, you should be able to manipulate these views, create your dimensions, and fill out your title block.